Turn on your scales, then log on to the Marzocco Home app. Then go to Settings and select Brew by Weight. Then select Add Scale. Once found, select your scale. Wait for it to pair. Once connected, the app will show the scale settings where you can choose your desired weight for doses. Place the portafilter in the grinder dosing cradle. This will automatically activate the grind. Gently flatten your grind with your fingers. Be sure not to tamp on the spouts. When using your tamp, be sure to apply even pressure across the coffee puck. 10 to 15 kilos of pressure is enough. Lock your portafilter into your machine. Place your scales on the drip tray and cups on top of the scale. When you activate the brew paddle, the dose weight on the right of the scales will tear automatically. The scale uses drip prediction to stop the shot at the desired goal weight. Wait until you hear a double beep to remove the cups to allow the scale to learn this function.